Hello everyone, my name is Tong Weibo, and I am the project manager for QMW projects. Before we encountered Konnect XD, we had made a lot of attempts to find a digital construction platform which is compatible with various design software, while also being able to present the latest status of our on-site construction. We wanted a platform to help us better analyze our progress, organize our tasks, and create a better working environment at QMW. After several demonstrations, we chose Konnect XD because we found it truly has a unique advantage over others. It has a strong compatibility to perfectly support SmartPlant 3D and Aveva E3D. The platform is highly configurable and scalable across projects. After several projects, we extended it to all disciplines, such as pipeline installation, prefabrication, support installation, cable tray modeling, analysis, structural engineering, and the detailed design integration. This sparked new possibilities. It is also a highly flexible platform. From the perspective of project management, we now have a modern and efficient method to track our project's latest status. In addition to the dashboard and reports that we currently see, we use the visualization feature which can vividly display current progress, forecast future situations while highlighting bottlenecks we are facing. So it also serves as a very important communication platform. This includes expediting issues with the design department, monitoring procurement arrivals, and pushing our construction units effectively. It also has a high level of scalability in these areas. Since we have achieved the visualization of the entire construction phase, we continue the integration to monitor engineering model maturity and optimize material allocations. We see tremendous potential and are confident that Konnect XD team will continue to support the product vision, especially in offshore engineering.